Hello there, this is Ishmael from Dabson Ishmael Web Hub. Today I'm going to show you how to create or add share buttons to your website. So as you can see over here, these are share buttons I have added to my website project. When you click on it, you are able to share the particular page you are on to different social media sites based on what you have over here. So to get started, what we need to do first is to go to sharethis.com. So at sharethis.com, you see this colorful green get tools over here. So you just click on get tools, and since we are building a WYSIWYG website builder, we would use the website over here. So just click on next, and you have to select one of these. So based on what you like, so I really like to select this one, so I click on this one, click on next. Then over here it gives you the chance of selecting the social media web pages you want your website to be shared on. So based on what you want, in case you don't want any over here, you can easily click and cancel or delete that. And if you want to add some, you just have to type what you're looking for, drag and drop it over here. So in case we are ready and we are done with our configurations and we are ready to integrate, all we need to do is just to click here to get code. Of course, you are supposed to be a member. I have actually registered. That is why I have gotten a chance of getting to this place. So you are supposed to register for sharethis.com before you can get to this aspect. So this part, we have select website, either HTTP or HTTPS. Since we are not using HTTPS, we are going to stick to HTTP. So this is what you do. Let's just read the first instruction. It says what? Copy the span tags and place them where you want your buttons to appear in the code. So you would have to copy these buttons. So let's just copy these buttons, right click and copy, come to your website project, drag and drop with the HTML2, double click on it, just paste your code in it, hit on OK. Let's come back to the website. It says what? Copy the script tags and place them inside and at the end of the head tag. So we'll copy this code over here. Let's copy it well. Right click and go to copy. Now let's go back to our project. Now let's click on page, and under page let's go to site HTML. At between the head tags, let's just delete what is here and paste the code we got. So let's just click on OK, and now let's hit on F5. So here we go. This is how to create your share buttons using sharethis.com in your WYSIWYG website builder. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.